mother. This is lesson 3 part 3. What is meant by present perfect simple tense? شنو يعني زمن مضارع تام بسيط؟ I have lost my jacket. أنا ضيعت سترتي. شخص المقابل راح يفهم أنه I can't find it now. أنا ما لقيتها هسه. The rule of this tense is subject plus has for singular and have for I and plural plus past participle of the verb. يعني الverb لازم نحوله للحالة الثالثة اللي هي حالة التصريف الثالث إله. Like he has broken his leg. He has broken his leg. هنا he is the subject and we put has because the subject is singular. Broken comes from the verb break means معناته يكسر. His leg is the complement. So المقابل راح يفهم أنه it is still broken now لأنه أنا استخدمت هذا الزمن اللي هو المضارع التام البسيط فالمقابل راح يفهم أنه رجلي انكسرت ولحد الآن هي مكسورة. So لذلك we use the present perfect simple tense to talk about actions that started in the past and have a result in the present. فنستخدم هذا الزمن حتى نحكي عن الأشياء اللي صارت بالماضي وأثرت على الحاضر. Like they've gone away. They've gone away. They is the subject. Have we put have because the subject is plural. Gone is the past participle of the verb go. Away is the complement. هم سافروا بعيدا. هذا الشيء معناته أنه they aren't here now. They aren't here now. معناته هم هسه ما موجودين هنا. Okay? So we use قلنا the present perfect simple tense to talk about actions that started in the past and have a result in the present. Or something that has happened when we don't specify the exact time. أو فشي إحنا يعني هو صار بس ما نعرف إيش وقت صار بالوقت الحالي. For example, the police have found the gold. The police have found the gold. هنا the police is the subject and have is the verb. Found is the past participle of the verb find اللي معناته يجد. The gold is the complement. الشرطة لقوا الذهب بس ما نعرف ايش وقت لقوه فلهالسبب راح نستخدم هذا الزمن اللي هو الزمن المضارع التام البسيط. Nobody has written to me. Nobody has written to me. لا أحد كتب لي يعني ماكو أحد كتب لي. فبالبداية خلينا الفاعل اللي هو nobody لا أحد. has لأنه عندنا الفاعل مفرد يعني كلمة واحدة فشنو سوينا خلينا has اللي هو الفعل. written is the past participle of the verb write اللي هو التصريف الثالث الفعل write اللي معناته يكتب. to me اللي هي معناته إلي. هنا هاي الكومبلمنت فهنا مادام ما محددين الفترة الزمنية فراح نستخدم هذا الزمن اللي هو المضارع التام البسيط يفيدني. The rule of the negative is الحالة النفي هي subject plus has or have plus not plus past participle like I have not met you. I have not met you. هنا we put the subject I. Have because we have I. Not is the negative. Met is the past participle of the verb meet اللي معناته يلتقي. You is the complement and don't forget the full stop at the end of the sentence. We can abbreviate has plus not to hasn't and have plus not to haven't. نقدر نختصر has plus not تصير hasn't and have plus not to haven't تصير haven't. And we can use the adverb never instead of not like I have never met you. فهنا خلينا ظرف never بدل not يعني إذا نجي للمعنى I have not met you أنا ما التقيت بيج. والمعنى الثاني من أقول I have never met you أنا ما التقيت بيج. فاثنيناتهن نفس المعنى راح يبقن. She has never allowed me. هي أبدا ما سمحت لي. فهنا never استخدمناها ونفس معنى not. The adverbs of time that comes with this tense are الظروف اللي تجي ظروف الزمان اللي تجي ويا هذا الزمن هي just اللي معناتها للتو، already اللي معناتها مسبقا، never اللي معناتها أبدا إطلاقا، ever اللي معناتها للأبد، and yet اللي معناتها لحد الآن. like I have just bought these jeans. أنا هستوني اشتريت هذا البنطلون. She has already passed her driving test. هي مسبقا اجتازت اختبار القيادة أو السياقة. You have never liked أحمد. أنت أبدا ما حبيت أحمد. It is the best ice cream I have ever eaten. هاي أفضل مثلجات أكلتها على الإطلاق. It hasn't stopped raining yet. ما توقفت عن المطر لحد الآن. فهدني هنا ظروف الزمان اللي يجن ويا زمننا اللي هو المضارع التام البسيط. The question rule is has or have plus subject plus past participle plus question mark. Have you slept early? هنا خلينا have because we have the subject you. Slept is the past participle of the verb sleep اللي معناتها ينام. Early معناتها مبكرا. And at the end we put the question mark. Has your mother come? Has your mother come? هنا we have the verb has plus your mother اللي هي هنا the subject is singular, so we put the verb has. Come is the past participle of the verb come, and at the end we put the question mark. If we have a question word إذا عندنا أداة استفهام, we should put it at the first of the question, like what have you done? What have you done? هنا خلينا بالبداية the question word what plus the verb have plus the subject you, and at the end we put the past participle of the verb do, it is done, and at the end we put the question mark. شنو سويت معناته؟ Where have you started? Where have you started? هنا خلينا بالبداية where is the question word أداة السؤال، خلينا بعدها have اللي هو الفعل اللي سألنا بيه، and we put you plus the verb the past participle of the verb study, it is studied, and at the end we put the question mark. The meaning of this sentence معنى هاي الجملة هو أين درست. Okay, if we find the question words how long and how many times، إذا لقينا هذني كلمات استفهام أو أدوات استفهام اللي هن how long معناته كم المدة، and how many times كم عدد المرات، we should use the present perfect simple tense with it. لازم نستخدم وياهن الزمن اللي هو المضارع التام البسيط. like مثل how long have you known Jenny? How long have you known Jenny? هنا how long means كم المدة، have you have and the subject is you, so we put have because we have you. The past participle known is the past participle of the verb know اللي معناته يعلم. Jenny is the complement, and at the end we put the question mark. How many times have you been to Beirut this year? شقد عدد المرات اللي رحت بيهن إلى بيروت هاي السنة؟ خلينا بالبداية how many times اللي هي the question word, and have is the verb, the auxiliary verb. You is the subject. We put have because we have you, and been is the past participle of the verb go. To Beirut هي الcomplement, and this year is the adverb of time, and at the end we put the question mark. So this is present perfect simple tense. It is so easy. Try now to answer exercise C and D in the activity book in lesson 3, and thank you for your listening.